We've got a lot of rain that's moving through the area, so very latest, let's go to Steve Weigel. And Steve, it's a rainy afternoon.
Tanya, we have some very strong storms that have now developed along coastal Palm Beach County. Pretty much all coastal areas east of 95 now picking up some heavy weather through the Gardens, Jupiter, Juno Beach. That rainfall is starting to push toward the coast, and some of it is weakening, and in other areas it's intensifying. Like this cell right here, that's Boynton Beach Boulevard and 441, as in Lantana, just south of Lantana Road and 441. This cell here has some very strong gusty winds with it, and there's a second cell over Jupiter that also has a potential for some winds over 40 miles an hour, at least briefly. That's when tree limbs can break. If you encounter any kind of severe weather, just get in the lowest level of your house in a safe room and stay there until the storms pass. We have no severe weather warnings at this point, just these heavy downpours, some gusty winds, and some lots of lightning with some of the cells as they push through. It's mainly Palm Beach County. We do have a couple of storms on the Treasure Coast, but you can see that line right pushing from the turnpike east slowly toward and into 95 now. In some spots it's already raining along US 1, and if it's not, it will be soon. And there's a look at our strongest cell. There's our radar site right there, Lantana and 441. This is a very strong thunderstorm that is pushing up 441 across Lantana, West Lantana, and in toward Wellington and suburban West Palm Beach. Treasure Coast, quiet at this point, other than the stormy weather just to the south of Hope Sound around Jonathan Dickinson, pushing toward Bridge Road. So that's another area that we'll watch. You can see that additional storm has moved off the coast to Fort Pierce. An active day. As I said, nothing severe at this point, but we'll break in and let you know if anything severe develops as we roll through the afternoon and evening.